Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the BMW M5 CS. This high-performance sedan offers an exhilarating experience, combining luxury with track-ready dynamics. We will explore its immense power, sophisticated driving modes, and advanced all-wheel drive. Getting acquainted with these features is key to unlocking the full potential of this exceptional machine, ensuring both safety and maximum enjoyment on any road or track. The M5 CS offers various driving modes: road, sport, and track. You can easily switch between these using the M mode button on the center console. For a more personalized experience, the M setup button allows you to fine-tune parameters like engine response, chassis stiffness, and steering feel. Once configured, save your favorite settings to the M1 and M2 buttons on the steering wheel for instant activation. The M5 CS boasts a specially tuned chassis with stiffer engine mounts and firmer springs, providing exceptional agility. Its lightweight construction, shedding approximately 230 pounds compared to the M5 competition, further enhances dynamic performance. The standard M carbon ceramic brakes offer incredible stopping power and fade resistance, crucial for spirited driving. These elements combine to deliver a truly engaging and precise handling experience. With 627 horsepower, smooth throttle control is paramount to harness the M5 CS's immense power, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Precise steering inputs are vital for navigating corners with confidence, leveraging the car's enhanced front-end grip. Experiment with the MX drive system, choosing between four-wheel drive sport, or even two-wheel drive for a more dynamic, rear-biased feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.